Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how to allow or block users from changing the system time and time zone in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, check out the article in the description. To allow standard users to change the system time and time zone, you're going to have to press Windows and R to open a run box. Type in secpol.msc and click OK. This will open Local Security Policy. Go to Local Policies, Users' Rights Assignments. Double-click on Change the System Time Policy. Click on Add User or Group. Click on Object Types. Make sure that all four are checked. Then click on the Advanced option. Click on Find Now. Go down to Everyone. Click OK. Click OK again. Then click on Apply and OK. Do the same for time zone. Then restart your system to allow any of the changes to take effect. To block standard users from changing the system time and time zone, once again we're going to press Windows and R to open the run box. We're going to go to secpol.msc to open the security policy. Go to Local Policies, User Rights Assignment. Go to Change the System Time. Double click. Select on Everyone. Click on Remove. Click Apply. And click OK. Then go to Change Time Zone. Double click. Select Everyone. Click on Remove. Click Apply. Click OK. Once again, restart your system to allow the changes to take effect. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.